So today I'm going to talk about how home care agencies can benefit from invoice funding. There's really three ways that they can benefit from invoice funding. The first is obviously when you do invoice funding, you get more readily available cash, meaning, instead of having to wait months, weeks, however long to get paid for your invoices, you get paid right away when you factor those invoices with a funding company that specializes in private duty home care factoring, such as PRN Funding. The second is that you get really flexible funding choices with PRN Funding. You get to choose when you want to factor, who you want to factor, and you can factor for however long you want to. So sometimes if you only need to factor a couple of invoices every month, that's fine. If you want to factor invoices consistently over a longer period of time, that's fine as well. If you only want to factor once a month with PRN funding, that's fine. We have the ultimate in flexible funding choices. Thirdly, PRN funding offers specific industry expertise. We've been working in the private duty home care industry for a number of years. We understand the ins and outs. We know what it's like to have to wait to get paid by Medicaid or another governmental agency. So, we have that industry expertise. So how do home care companies benefit from invoice funding? There's really three different ways. The first is that they have access to more readily available cash. This means they'll be able to pay their vendors on time, pay their own invoices on time, pay taxes, meet payroll. Whereas if you didn't have more readily available cash, you would have problems meeting those financial obligations. The second is that PRN funding offers really flexible financing choices. We allow our private duty home care agencies to factor when they want, for however long they want, and they can pick and choose, which customers they want to factor as well. Finally, PRN funding offers private duty industry expertise. We've been in this field for a number of years, and we understand the payment systems when it comes to Medicaid waiver programs and also other governmental agencies. So if you want to learn more, please visit us at prnfunding.com.